In the name of the Almighty, the Lord of all mankind. I am very grateful to the ISPR and the NUST for taking this very timely initiative to commemorate a historic event. I just returned this morning from 2 visits to different parts of the world in our vicinity. I was in Turkey, in the Middle East, and then I was in Nepal in South Asia. I was meeting the leaders, there were conferences. And in both regions, in the Middle East, Turkey is, of course, a very close friend of Pakistan and a very important leader of the Muslim world and a member of NATO also. Nepal is a small country, landlocked country, but a friend of Pakistan. In both these countries, I met their ministers, their foreign minister. I also met President Recep Tayyip Erdogan in Turkey. There was only one thing they had: respect, praise and admiration for Pakistan and Pakistan's role in defense and diplomacy. And this reminds me of the famous book by the great British wartime leader, Sir Winston Churchill. He said about Britain when they faced the odds against Nazi Germany and Hitler's aggression, he said, this was their finest hour. Marka-e-Haq was our finest hour. MashaAllah. And why was it a finest hour? I think Munib said rightly that when we are marking today's event, we are also commemorating and paying tribute to truth. सच्चाई की बात कर रहे हैं हम, हक की बात कर रहे हैं. India's miscalculation, in fact Modi's miscalculation, and General Sahab very rightly pointed out that India has a leader whose mindset, whose ideology is based on hate and bigotry. And this was what Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah foresaw 90 years ago when he talked of the two-nation theory, कि इन लोगों से गुजारा नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि इनकी बुनियाद एक बुग़्ज़ है मुसलमानों के खिलाफ, एक नफरत है, और इसीलिए तकसीम हुआ और हमने आज़ादी ली उनकी क़यादत में. The Indians lied about Pahalgam. They had no evidence. They lied about their casualties and the planes that were shot down. Till now they have not given any figures. They lied about the ceasefire also. कि जी वो तो कोई किसी का रोल नहीं, हमने bilaterally किया. Although the ceasefire was announced by President Trump and both accepted it. So उनका जो पूरा narrative था was based on a lie because they had lost the war militarily, politically, diplomatically and on the media front. The courage of our leadership, especially the military leadership and the nation of Pakistan, बहादुरी के साथ, दलेरी के साथ कि ठीक है आ जाओ यार मुकाबला कर लो, देखी जाएगी, we will face you, we are not scared of you, we will not blink. That is number one. Then the competence, professionalism and competence of our armed forces, Army, Air Force and Navy, that excelled. And I think there's no doubt our pilots are probably among the best in the world. पुलवामा हो गया, उनके जहाज 2 गिरा दिए हैं, अभी नंदर को पकड़ भी लिया, उसको छोड़ भी दिया, चाय भी पिला दी हमने. Because Pakistanis are a very warm and generous and hospitable people. दिल हमारा बड़ा है, हिंदुस्तान का दिल बहुत छोटा है, बड़ा मुल्क है, दिल बहुत छोटा है, ये फर्क है. 2nd of March 2019, Narendra Modi makes a statement. We note कर लें. Munib, you are a journalist, please know. 2nd March, काश हमारे पास राफेल जहाज होते तो उसका आउटकम डिफरेंट होता. Only I wish. ये 2019 को कह रहा है, 7 साल पहले, 6 साल पहले, कि जी हमारे पास काश राफेल जेट्स होते तो शायद उसका रिजल्ट मुख्तलिफ होता. उसको राफेल नहीं थे उनके पास. And they had the Rafaels. And آپ نے کہا 6 جہاز گرائے ہیں, لیکن جو میں سن رہا تھا پرسوں پریزیڈنٹ ٹرمپ نے کہا 11 جہاز. So I would like to believe that. So this has been, why do I say it's been a turning point? اس کے 3 implications ہیں strategic. Number 1, Pakistan, mashallah, has today emerged as a major Muslim middle power in the heart of the Muslim world, in the heart of Middle East and South Asia, and also a net security provider. As a key country, both in defense and diplomacy. And its soldier statesman, Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, has achieved a certain status that he's become Trump, my favorite Field Marshal. And so you can see it's all across. And that favoritism also goes to the MBS, Mohammed bin Salman and Rajab Tayyip Erdogan and other Muslim leaders because of the performance on the field, because you delivered results. That's number 1. Pakistan ka muqam, Pakistan ki ahmiyat, Pakistan ka kirdar, Tehran ho, Riyadh ho, Ankara ho, Beijing ho, Moscow ho, Washington ho, we are the country which is trusted. We are the country which is the go-to country. We are the country which is serving as a bridge of peace. But in this, Pakistan's role is very credible, very clear because of our own capabilities, and inshallah Pakistan will play that role of a leader. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah had said, Pakistan is the pivot of the world, placed on the frontier where the future geopolitics of the world will revolve. And that is what is happening today. So we must اللہ تعالیٰ کا شکر ادا کریں. کئی لوگ ناشکری کرتے ہیں کہ ہم آزاد ملک کے آزاد باشندے ہیں. See what is happening Hindutva and Akhand Bharat in Hindustan, what they are doing with their own people, with Muslims and others. Thank God for Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad.